Greg Barber from Microsoft, and you're here to tell me a little bit about what Microsoft's got going up for 2008. Tell me a little bit about that. You've got partnerships that you're focused on?
Yeah, so it's a big year for Microsoft. I think there's really three broad themes around the news that Microsoft has at CES this year. So yeah, partnerships is definitely the first in terms of some of the new partnerships we have on the hardware side. So the PC has become a very personal device, and I mean, hence the name personal computer. We're really getting there, and people are bringing their own sense of style to how they think about this personal device. And so we've got partnerships with, for example, Lenovo, a super small, super light PC with again a very integrated, very beautiful sort of casing on it. We've got Ego is a new hardware manufacturer that it's actually a purse form factor with alligator as well as fur. It really changes how you think. So you want to go
on the wild side of...
These are fashion PCs. These are not the sort of black box that that Dad has. Yeah. These are very personal devices, and of course the personal favorite I have is the Lamborghini from Asus, and so it's got leather stitching for the pad around the mouse pad, and the yellow sort of shiny, looks like the hood of a yellow Lamborghini with the Lamborghini brand on it. So for him and for her, we have fashion PCs from these partners in the PC side.
That's wonderful. Well, I think a lot of small businesses nowadays are actually starting to go in and invest in some of the personalized products as kind of a company perk, would you not say? Are you finding that a lot of businesses are actually using these products left, right, and center?
More so the consumer. I think much more trying to set their own sort of sense of style, and then using the power of Vista, which we announced 100 million Vista users in less than a year, which is a pretty exciting milestone for Windows and Vista. And frankly, the power of all of the security and the business platform that you've got, but then again, the sort of sense of style and all of the media center functionality for your entertainment. So whether you want to take it with you on, take your entertainment with you on the road, at the same time having all the security and all of the reliability of a robust business operating system in a stylized format.
Fantastic. Yep. So you've talked about it a little bit, you've got your partnerships on the go. What are some of the other focuses for 2008? What can we see coming down the pipeline from Microsoft? So
one more sort of partnership announcement that we made at the show has been around additional extender devices. So Samsung has come out with what's known as a set-back box. So instead of on top of your box, it's just a device that connects to the back of your television, and this will be in all 2008 models. That connects it to your home network. So essentially, through 802.11n, it will connect up that television to your home network so that you could take your content from your media center, your photos, your music, and any television shows you have recorded on your media center, and present it on that Samsung television.
Well, that's fantastic.
So that's one example of extenders. And HP, their MediaSmart series of televisions will have extender capability built right into the TV. So you plug your TV in, connect up the internet, Wi-Fi or through Cat5, and then through the internet it'll get activated and connected up to your home system, so that again you can use your media center to pull the content out on that TV. So some pretty exciting other partnerships. I think the two other big themes around the show around software and services, and then finally the third theme is around natural user interface. So more natural ways that people will work with their technology. And so Bill Gates spent a fair bit of time in his keynote showcasing voice, working with mobile phones using his voice, and then using surface computing actually in a retail experience. So not only will it change how you work with your own personal information and entertainment, but it's going to change your customer service experience in working with companies, or how you might, for example, work with digital content in a retail store to customize what you're buying. As an example, Bill did a snowboard example where he customized the graphics on a snowboard and then put it up on the web for his friends to give an opinion on, all in a retail sort of format using our Surface computing, which is the first time actually at CES that we've had the Surface technology showcased on the show floor.
Yeah, I know. The rumors have been milling around about this technology for quite a while, and I think Canada's been really excited to kind of get a glimpse at this. So I think it's fantastic that you're here and that you're showing it off.
Yeah, and actually it'll be in market through partners this spring. Yeah. So Starwood Hotels, as well as T-Mobile in the U.S. Starwood has hotels in Canada, so that's really the first place we'll see it. And Harrah's here in Las Vegas will also be bringing in play table solutions.
Oh.
So from entertainment to retail experiences, the play table technology will be in market, but again, through these partners, through these more commercial applications. So consumers will have to wait a little while yet before they can run out to their favorite electronics store and purchase one for their home.
If they wanted to follow along on kind of the updates and where this technology is going to be available, would they check out Microsoft.com for more information? Or
that's the best place, absolutely.
Okay.
As well as the partners come to market, we'll certainly bring to your attention so that you can go to their locations, for example, their hotels, to go see their solutions.
That's perfect. Well, thank you very much for coming down here and showing us what we've got in store from Microsoft in 2008.